Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2020 BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm so excited to see what I got. This is pretty heavy this month and BOXYCHARM lately has been impressing me so much. More than Ipsy, I must say. But every month on my channel I get both BOXYCHARM boxes and all 3 Ipsy boxes. So if you like seeing those monthly unboxings, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I also try out all of the makeup products in full dedicated review videos as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And then I also do full face makeup tutorials at the end of the month using all the products I got. So let's check out my Boxyluxe box. So if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM and Boxyluxe, it's a quarterly upgrade to the regular BOXYCHARM. So regular BOXYCHARM is $25 a month, but then you get charged an extra $25 every 3 months, and then you get an upgraded Boxyluxe box. And then the other BOXYCHARM that I get is BOXYCHARM Premium, which is every month and it's $35. So I have my product card here. I love that BOXYCHARM still gives the product cards, and I'll also be able to add up my total retail value of what I spent $50 on. So let's see. Ooh, I see a pink case here. Ooh, from the brand Pure, the Complexion Authority. I love the brand Pure, so let's see what's in here. Whoa, a really nice brush set. There are so many brushes in here and I love that they're pink. Wow, 12 brushes in here. This is a complete set. I didn't even know that Pure made brushes, but ooh, these feel so soft and they look so pretty. I tend to not really like getting brushes in my beauty subscription boxes, but a whole set like this with a really nice case, I am very excited about. I mean, I probably do have too many brushes at this point, but at the same time, I still kind of feel like I could always use more. So the Pure, the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set has a retail value of $49. Oh my gosh, another Fenty product! I'm so excited. I had never tried out a Fenty product before until I think it was last month in BOXYCHARM. I got a loose highlighter glitter, and what I got this month is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Ooh, in the shades Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Okay, that sounds so cute. I have to check this out. Ooh, this has some nice weight to it and beautiful packaging. Let's open it up. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love the colors. I can't wait to try this out. I am going to try and get through the video without actually swatching anything and save it for the full dedicated review video. It's really hard to resist, but I think it'll be worth it. And so this retails for $36. Ooh, another really exciting product. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is from the brand HipDot. I have not heard of that brand before, and I love finding new brands through my beauty subscriptions. So this is the HipDot Zion eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, I love getting eyeshadow palettes. Retail value of $30. Let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love these colors. Look at that. 15 shades, great mix of mattes, shimmers, and these are the shades that I love to wear, like some of my favorite colors right here. Oh, this is so pretty, and I love the packaging. It has the big mirror. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this out. Trying out eyeshadow palettes is one of my favorite products to try. Okay, I'm so excited. This is an amazing box so far. Let's keep going. Next I have, this is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It's a great hand cream, but I have gotten this, I think, in every single subscription service. I've gotten it in Ipsy, FabFitFun, now BOXYCHARM. It's great, but it's just funny to me that I feel like I get this very often, but it is a great hand cream, and my hands are officially starting to get dry again, and my hands are actually dry in this moment, so I'm gonna put some on. I love the scent of it, and it's nice and thick formula. So the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, this is in Sea Kissed, retails for $36. So it's not a cheap hand cream at all. It's really nice, super moisturizing. Oh, it's exactly what my hands needed. I love the smell. Okay, another product that I'm familiar with, but this is great. It's from 111 Skin. It's Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. 111 Skin is a fantastic skincare brand. So this is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack, retail value of $135. Yeah, it's a very expensive brand, but I love the 111 Skin products, so I do get excited when I get them in my Ipsy and BOXYCHARM boxes. Next up, whoa, this is from the brand Biro. It's tomato serum. I don't know what tomato serum is used for. It says it's a hydrating formula that visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of skin texture for soft, soothe. I think that's a typo. I think it's supposed to say smooth, and clarified complexion, cruelty-free. I'm not super excited to get a serum. I have way too many serums. I would much rather a type of product that I don't have a lot of, or a makeup product, because those are my favorites. But the Biro Tomato Serum has a retail value of $150. Wow, $150 for this serum. I guess that makes me a little bit more excited to try it out. It says it has gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides to transform your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself, while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. Sounds great if it actually works. So for $150, I would hope so. So that's kind of cool that I got a $150 serum that I honestly would never try if it wasn't for this. Oh, this is cool. This is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. That's probably why my box was so heavy this month. And this is funny, like I wouldn't really expect to get a weighted sleep mask in BOXYCHARM, because it's kind of like a lifestyle product, and I think that I usually get beauty products in BOXYCHARM, but this is cool. It's different. I have not tried a weighted sleep mask, but I love weighted blankets, so I think that I will probably love this. And so this retails for $40. And then my last product in here is from another brand that I'm not familiar with, Persona, and it's lip gloss, vegan, gluten-free, in the shade Honey. Oh, I'm so excited that I got new makeup brands to try out. This looks pretty, like a nice nude peachy shade. I love a colored lip gloss. I'm wearing one right now. But so this Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip gloss retails for $16. Wow, well I think I probably got a lot of retail value in this box because I got some really expensive products. So let me do a quick recap of everything I got, and then I'll add up the retail value. So I got a weighted sleep mask, 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks, Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, Hip Dot Eyeshadow Palette, Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo, Pure Brush Set, Biro Tomato Serum, and the Persona Lip Gloss. And my total retail value is $492. Almost $500 value that I paid $50 for. Wow, that might be one of my most expensive or most high value boxes I've ever received. I'm very excited about that. I got some very high value items like 111 Skin Biro. Those are very luxe, high-end brands. So I'm really excited to try out those products and really treat myself to some high-end products that I wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So that makes me so excited about BOXYCHARM. Getting really high value, expensive products and new makeup brands. Those are two of my favorite things to get in my beauty subscription boxes, and I got a lot of that in this box. So I'm very, very happy. I think it is so worth the upgrade this month. But let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxyluxe, if you think it was worth it, if there's any products that you want to see me try out first in my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, or if you've tried any of these. Definitely let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.